As you know, we have discussed about safety meeting, the importance, the requirement, how to make a safety meeting effective, and what are the benefits of a safety meeting. All in part 1. And as I promised in the last training session, I will share the concept of 5P's to conduct a great safety meeting. What are 5P's? Let's get started. Dear friends and colleagues, in the part 2 of safety meeting, I'll just discuss about the 5P's, the idea of great safety meeting. P number 1, prepare. As you can tell from the number of suggestions below, good preparation for your safety meetings is the key of conducting an effective and successful safety meeting. As you gain experience in planning and conducting your safety meetings, the preparation phase of the meeting will become much easier. But it will never become less important to the success in your safety meetings. The first step in preparing your safety meeting is selecting a topic. All supervisors, engineers, and managers who conduct safety meetings sometimes think, what in the world can I talk about this time? Your workplace presents a wealth of good safety meeting topics. There are a lot more good practices, and there are potential hazards, potential near misses. So, this all can be the part of your safety meeting agenda. Sometimes it is just difficult to see them all, but if you will follow the suggestions below, you should have a little difficulty in finding an appropriate topic for your next safety meeting, and the one after that, and the one after that. Once you are going to prepare safety meeting presentation, point number 1, think about safety. Think about the jobs, workers, work procedures, machinery, and safety hazards in your department, in your workplace, in your project, which could produce potential accident situations. Think about recent safety problems in your department, at your work site, construction job, a plant. Point number 2, review accidents. Review the accidents which have occurred in your department, at your work site, on your project, and in other departments as well. Do situations exist which could produce another similar accident? How you can prevent such reoccurrence? This should be the part of your safety meeting. Point number 3, read. Read available safety materials for safety meeting ideas and information. Point number 4, observe. Observe the work practices of your employees, housekeeping and storage practices, the use and non-use of personal protective equipment and machine guards, the operation of forklifts, cranes, hoists, manual lifting, and material handling by workers, and other work activities for safety meeting ideas. Even though you took immediate corrective action when the unsafe situation was found, it may provide a good safety meeting topic. Point number 5, keep notes. Keep notes of potential safety meeting topics. Keep notes of unsafe situations, unsafe work practices, and unsafe working habits you observe. These notes will provide a list of safety meeting topics from which you can select a safety meeting topic. You would not have to ask yourself, what do I talk about this week? You will be asking, which of these topics is the most important and critical for this week's meeting? Point number 6. Select a topic. From the ideas and information gathered in the above steps, select the topic which is the most important for your next meeting. Point number 7. Prepare your presentation. Decide what your workers need to know about the safety topic. Decide what you want them to do about it. Decide how you want to present the information. Consider any objections they may have to the topic and how you will address those objections. Make notes or an outline to help you stick to the subject and cover all the information you want to present. Point number 8. Practice your presentation. This may mean just reviewing your notes and outline and going over your presentation in your mind. If you don't feel comfortable about your presentation, practice it. Practice it aloud in private, or ask your spouse, a friend, or another supervisor to listen to your presentation. In this way, you will gain confidence, and on the day of meeting, you will be bold enough and you will present the safety meeting in a more impressive and effective way. P number 2, pinpoint. Don't try to cover too much ground in one meeting. Select one safety topic, one main idea for the meeting. Be sure the topic can be adequately covered in the time allotted for the meeting. If it cannot, narrow the topic and cover the rest of it in the next meeting. Concentrate on one safety rule, one unsafe work practice, etc. For example, your topic might be the dangers of twisting or turning your body to the side when lifting, or the importance of wearing eye protection. Your employees will remember one main idea much better than 2 or 3 ideas. With 3 or more topics in a safety meeting, they may not remember any of them. So, second P is about pinpointing, and it's important. Let us jump on P number 3, personalize. But how? Personalize your safety meeting topic for the workers in the group. This means make the topic important to them personally. You can do this by explaining the topic in terms they can identify with and relate to. For example, if your topic is wearing safety glasses, ask for a show of hands of those with wives and children. Select a couple of workers and ask them to describe their wife or child. What color is their hair? What color of their eyes, etc. Ask each worker to think of the person or people closest to them. Have them close their eyes and ask them to imagine what it would be like to never be able to see that person, that color, the color of their hair or eyes or their smile again. In this way, definitely they will understand how important are their eyes and how it is possible and practicable for them to protect their eyes from flying particles. Does this sound like a strong tactic? Yes, it is. Does it personalize the possible loss of your sight and the importance of wearing safety glasses? Yes, it does. Try doing the exercise and see for yourself. If the above type of example is too strong for you to be comfortable with it, use a different one. Use the loss of a hobby or no longer being able to do their present job if they lost their sight or suffered a disabling back injury or hand amputation. Have an employee who had an accident specifically related to the safety topic discuss his accident and how it might have been prevented by the safety topic being discussed. Remember, do this only if the employee is completely willing and wants to do it. Dear friends and colleagues, you are on the platform of Safety First Life. If you are new on this channel, kindly subscribe it and press the bell icon for all future notifications. And if you find the video informative, then like, comment and share it with your friends and fellows. We are talking about the concept of 5 P's. Those are related to safety meeting. P number 1, preparation. P number 2, pinpointing. And P number 3, we are discussing right now. That is to personalize. The object is to get your employees to recognize their personal stake in the safety topic being discussed and what is in it. Personalize your safety presentations and make them more effective. Let us discuss and understand now P number 4, that is to picturize. Create a clear, vivid image of your safety message for your employees, either an actual or a mental image. As discussed in the job orientation and training session, what is safety induction training? If you are interested to know in detail, please click on the link that is appearing on your screen right now. People tend to remember what they hear and see much better and longer than what they only hear. To make your safety meeting a great safety meeting, to make your meeting successful and effective, you have to make your safety presentations a talent show by using charts, graphs, a display, a short single topic safety videotapes. Use damaged tools, a photographs of machine with missing guards, an overturned lift truck, or equipment damaged because someone failed to follow the safe work procedure, a safety rule being discussed, or maybe the safety devices were bypassed. Once you will show such photographs, videos, charts, graphs, or practically the damaged tools. All these tips and tricks will make your safety meeting more effective and successful. And your workers, they will understand it well and they can memorize it for all future work activities. Furthermore, you have to show the benefit of personal protective equipment by using damaged safety glasses, a hard hat, a safety shoe which prevented or reduced the extent of an injury. You have to demonstrate the safe use of a tool, the way to test the fit of a respirator, or the way to lift something safely. Have a willing employee demonstrate the safe work procedure. For example, the correct tool use, correct way of inserting earplugs, or correct way of lifting a box of work part. Find a way to paint a critical, clear picture of your safety topic, and you will increase your employees' acceptance and use of your safety message. P number 5, prescribe. We'll repeat again. P number 1 for preparation. P number 2, pinpointing. P number 3, personalize. P number 4, picturizing. And P number 5, prescribe. Dear friends and colleagues, if every one of the preceding 4 P's are done perfectly, but you don't tell your employees what to do, your safety meeting will fail to improve safety in your operation, at your project, in your organization. It is like going to the doctor with an illness or injury. If the doctor examines you, runs all the tests, tells you what is wrong, and sends you home without the medicine that you need, you will not get well. And the trip to the doctor was just a wasted time. You must tell your employees what they should do to avoid, fix, or correct the safety problem you have discussed in the meeting. And this all comes under the prescription. And the doctor example is the easy and best example to understand. And you may communicate it to your employees as well while you are conducting toolbox talk meeting or a safety meeting. Either it is weekly or a monthly safety meeting. Dear friends and colleagues, the instructions you give your employees should provide specific answers to their mental questions of so what, what's in it for me, and what do you want me to do. You have to guide and provide the specific actions they are to take. Clearly explain how the job or activity is to be done safely. Explain the benefits of safety and otherwise of following the safety instructions given to them. Explain the consequences of not following the safety instructions given to them and provide a clear, specific prescription they can use to correct the safety problem discussed or follow the safe work procedure given to them. Dear friends and colleagues, I do hope and believe if you will understand the concept of 5P's, you can convert every safety meeting into a great safety meeting. You can communicate well. You can instruct well. You can guide well. You can prescribe well. But for all these desired results, you have to memorize these important points, especially the 5P's. P number 1, prepare. P number 2, pinpoint. P number 3, personalize. P number 4, picturize. And P number 5, prescribe. These are so easy and simple to memorize and understand. Let us make a quick overview about safety meetings. Dear friends and colleagues, effective safety communications or meetings are critical to maintaining a high level of safety awareness and safety commitment in your employees, in your organization, in your worksite. The skills of providing effective safety tips and conducting effective safety meetings are easily developed with a little practice. The time spent on these activities will definitely provide a profitable payback in reduced accident frequency, improved work safety awareness, and improved workers' attitude about your concern for their safety and well-being. These benefits will assist in improving employee job satisfaction and performance and assist in reducing employee absenteeism and turnover. Remember, safety meeting is not a routine matter, is not a waste of time. It has a specific and definite purpose, but it is possible only when you make the safety meeting effective and meaningful. And that's all for now. Training session, safety meeting, part 2, the concept of 5P's is over. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and share the video. Hope to see you soon. Till then, take care. Good luck and Allah Hafiz.